Hi there. In this PLR Hub review, I'm going to show you a powerful tool that lets you launch your own self-updating digital product store packed with over 20,000 plus PLR products, ebooks, software, videos, courses, and more. All done for you, no tech skills needed. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making any decision. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Kamal from testedapps.com. I'm a six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years of experience helping people like you find real tools that generate real income. If that sounds good, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss my honest reviews. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got exclusive bonuses waiting for you when you grab PLR Hub through my link below. These are custom tools and trainings to help you start making money faster. Check the description. You don't want to miss these. What is PLR Hub? PLR Hub is a cloud-based platform that builds your own digital product business in just one click. It gives you instant access to over 20,000 plus ready-to-sell PLR products, a fully hosted, done-for-you website, auto-updating product library, commercial rights. You keep 100% of the profits. You don't need to write a single word, create any products, or pay for hosting. This is literally plug and profit. Whether you want to sell PLR products, use them as lead magnets, or offer them as bonuses to boost affiliate sales, PLR Hub makes it super easy, even if you're just starting out. What stands out? Here's what really stood out to me. Self-updating website. You don't need to manually upload anything. It updates with fresh PLR products constantly. No tech needed, just log in, pick your domain name, and your store is live. Huge product vault, over 20,000 plus digital products in hot niches. Sell, give away, or bundle. Total freedom in how you monetize it. I've reviewed a ton of PLR platforms over the years. This one finally does things right. How it works. It's as simple as this. Step 1. Log in and choose your site name. Step 2. The site auto-generates with 20,000 plus PLR products. Step 3. Start promoting and selling. No uploads, no coding, no extra fees. And yes, everything is cloud-hosted, so you don't need to install anything or worry about website maintenance. Let me play a quick demo so you can see it in action. Upgrades breakdown. After grabbing the main product, here are the optional upgrades you'll see. Upgrade $1 $47. Premium features and extra customization tools. Upgrade $2 $37. Unlocks more niche categories and product packs. Upgrade $3 $37. Done for you funnels and lead magnets to grow your list fast. Upgrade $4 $47. Built-in SEO and traffic tools. Upgrade $5 $97. Commercial license to sell services to clients. Upgrade $6 $97. White label rights. Rebrand PLR Hub as your own product. Upgrade $7 $197. Full-blown agency license with sub-user accounts. Pick the upgrades that fit your goals. If you're serious about building a long-term business, the white label and agency licenses are power moves. What I love about PLR Hub is it's 100% beginner-friendly. You get massive value upfront. It's a set-it-and-forget-it digital product business, perfect for building your email list, creating bonus pages, or even flipping PLR sites. You don't need content creation, tech skills, or even traffic strategies upfront. PLR Hub handles the heavy lifting for you. What could be better? Now, to keep it real, PLR Hub isn't for you if you're looking to build custom-coded tools or offer super advanced software. This is about speed and scale, not deep customization. If you're looking for an affordable way to start an online business, build a digital store, or just stock up on high-quality PLR content, PLR Hub is an absolute no-brainer. You can grab it now through my link below, and don't forget about those exclusive bonuses I've set up for fast action takers. They're waiting inside your Warrior Plus account. Thanks for watching my PLR Hub review. What do you think? Will you be using it to launch your digital empire? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and money-making tools. I'm Kamal from testedapps.com. See you at the next one.